Melissa driving.
Oh man.
It is so freaking dangerous.
It's not dangerous.
Just talk. Don't look at the camera. Just talk, because I really
There's
want.
nothing to say. We're good right now. Everyone's in control.
There's a red light. There's a red light.
Stop it.
Oh shit!
It's cool.
Oh man, I just shit my pants.
We're gonna die at this late.
Get shot by the homeless man with the oxygen tank.
At this spot? What is that about? You're so stupid. Now we're good now, because there's nobody out of control. Everyone's in control. There's no more lights. There's no more people yielding. This guy wants to fucking stay in the fucking road. I mean, stop acting a fool.
Get him. Explain to me about Georgia drivers.
Nothing's wrong with them. They're just retarded a little bit. They don't know how to drive. They're a little too slow. I mean, that old man, I do feel bad about that a second ago.
What'd you just say to the old man?
I don't know. I was in my rage.
I think you called him a scumbag.
Oh my God. He wasn't moving.
Actually, I think it was you fucking scumbag.
I stopped the car. I came to a fucking full stop, and he didn't fucking move. What do you want? Oh, go. Blinker means go. Fucking dirtbag. Get in the fucking car. What's wrong with him? Oh, that's right. You're fucking 90. You shouldn't be on the fucking road because you can't see a fucking thing, you fucking weirdo. Granted, you've been driving for fucking 85 years. Doesn't mean you should still be on the road. I'm over it now.
Can I get that again? Well, this has been Driving with Melissa.